Students, myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra Z School Jhansi. As you know that we have successfully completed 3 chapters of business studies. Now today I am going to start 4th chapter of business studies. The name of chapter is planning. So in this chapter we will going to learn about planning concepts, importance, limitation, its process, single use standing plans, objectives, strategies, policies, procedure, method, rules, budget, programs. So starting with meaning of planning. What is planning? Planning can be defined as a thinking in advance what is to be done, when it is to be done, how it is to be done, and by whom it should be done. In simple words, we can say planning bridges the gap between where we are standing today and where we want to reach. Planning involves setting objectives and deciding in advance the appropriate course of action to achieve these objectives. So we can also define planning as setting up of objective and targets and formulating an action plans to achieve them. In simple words, we can say planning is a thinking process, the organized foresight, the vision based on facts and experiments that is required for any intelligence action. Now my next topic is nature of planning. Nature means features, characteristics of planning. Basically, there are 7 natures of planning. First is planning contributes to object. This means it should be goal oriented, it set up the target and make use the target goal is achieved. Second, planning is the primary function of management. It is the first basic and starting function of the management. Afterwards, all other functions are executed. Third, planning is pervasive. Planning is done in any business at any level. Planning is future or forward looking activity. Planning is a continuous, never ending and ongoing process. Planning involves decision making. Planning involves choices. Whenever we select or choose one option from various, that is planning. And last is planning is a mental exercise. And my next topic is importance of planning or significance of planning. Basically, why planning is important to us. There are 6 reasons why planning is important for us. First is planning provides direction. It focuses on the end results, moves and direct all the activities towards achievement of goal. Second, planning reduces the risk of uncertainties. Third, planning reduces overlapping, duplication and wasteful activities because we have clear indication about plan, what is to be done and who will do it. Planning promotes innovative ideas to make sure predictions and assumptions regarding future and highly innovating thinking is required. Planning facilitates decision making. Planners check the pros and cons of all options and then they take a quick decision. Planning establishes standard for controlling. The base or yardstick or the standard for compare actual performance is controlling, which is given by planning. And the last topic for today class is limitation of planning. Basically, there are 7 limitations of planning. First is planning is rigidity. It is difficult to make change or alteration in plan. Planning is completely fail in dynamic environment. When things are changing at a rapid rate, planning is totally fail. Third, planning reduces creativity. Middle and lower level become dull. Employees lose their creativity. Employees stop giving suggestions and new ideas for doing the work. Planning involves huge cost. Amount spent on planning require more process in gathering of information. Planning is time consuming activity. Lots of time is wasted in listing and evaluating various course of alternatives. Second last, it does not guarantee success. Plans which brought success in past may fail in future. Last year successful plan may fail in present year. So we can say that there is no guarantee. There is no guarantee that plan which brought success in previous year will brought brightness or will be fruitful in coming future. So these are the 7 limitations of planning. And planning also fails in natural calamities, competitor policies and lots of manner. So students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice